Alright, so today what I will be doing is first getting this camera angle to not be complete horseshit. Okay, there we go. And then, so the thing is, this iPad right here, it's on iOS 11.3, jailbroken. And now the thing about that is it's running the Electra jailbreak, right? Now I ran an update through Cydia that kind of just broke everything. Now, on my friend's phone, he's also running Electra. He ran the same update, and it also broke everything. Now, by broke everything, I mean it removed Cydia. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this iPad over to the uncovered jailbreak. Alright, and then after that, I'm going to manually install a theme on this iPhone 7 right here. And then after that, I'm going to do the exact same thing that I'm doing to the iPad, to this iPhone SE. It's running iOS 9.3.3, 64GB. I bought this directly from Verizon. It was my main phone for a while until I got a 6S and then a 7. So let's start with the easiest of them all. That would be the iPhone here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to SSH into the device, right? Let's get a... Now I would record the screen, but you know, I don't want to take that much time editing this, so everything looks all fine and dandy. Okay. Let's see. So all we have to do is open up WinSep, then let's see, how are we going to SSH into this device? We need to go to here, we need to go to here. There it is, 10.0.0.12. Alright, username, root, Alpine. Did I type it correctly? I sure did. Alright. Now, what we are going to do is not do that. Going to go over here. This is on a different monitor. Hold on, we're going to open that. Okay. I'm going to go into here. Alright. Now, you can't actually see that. Alright, there we go. So, let's install the lock HTML theme first. I think the particles and kaleidoscope are already installed by default. Let's see. Yeah, they're already installed by default here. So let's install this one. How are we going to do that? We're going to navigate to that file location. Let's see. Let's see. All right. All right. Now, what was the file location? Was that. Okay, so private var mobile, not that, mobile library, lock HTML. Let's see, lock HTML, then all we have to do is drag this one into there. And it should be just that easy. Alright, now on the phone right here. Alright. Just get that right there. Alright. Now let's go into here. Let's hide on all pages. Alright, and that's all that we're going to do for Zen HTML. Next up, let's install Limelight. Install, let's see, so we're just going to go to library and then themes. Alright, library themes. It's not here. Probably is. Let me just look harder. Alright, so I try anything that I try to install gives me this error right here. So gonna follow these instructions right here. So, let's, I have a slight guess at what actually caused this. It could be that, so anemone does not, or I mean, not anemone, I mean, activator. Activator does not work for whatever reason. When I go in to here, okay, when I go into there, it says activator disabled. Now I did these instructions right here, didn't do anything, but however, when I maybe tried to reinstall Cydia Substrate, that could have definitely fucked up something. So, let's search for gzip. Let's modify reinstall. Okay, confirm. Okay, fuck me. Whew. Okay, well, let's try these. You ordered the file? Okay, yes. For that, you should be able to do that. Rename available to, okay. Okay. Start Cydia. Okay. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so do that. Var lib, so let's go to var, hello? It's probably just loading. Alright, let's go to lib, okay. Let's go to this one, and then rename available to available dash BAK. Okay, rename status to status dash BAK. Rename available old. There is no available old. Okay. So we can do status old to status though. Okay. Let's just do that. Hopefully I'm not fucking up my phone. Okay, let's wait till these refresh. Right, install, confirm, fuck, more errors. Oh, okay then. Okay. I don't like this. Okay. Let's undo this right here. Alright, and then let's see if that did any good. Great, we're back to one error. Okay. Restart your device. As soon as you see the Apple logo, do that. Open Cydia. I do not have an untethered jailbreak. Well, never say things in advance. Anyway, what about right here? Alright, I can't install or uninstall. Ooh, I didn't try to uninstall something. Let's see if I can uninstall a thing. Recent, activator, remove, confirm, no. Okay, great. Through research into previous posts about this, it seems like this is caused by a set UID and set GID permissions being unchecked for this. They cannot be enabled in FileZilla because they required root, or super user root. I've run these commands after running root. Okay, after rebooting, the box is still in check state. Okay. Ideas, thank you. That's precisely what I was thinking. But I don't know how to do that. Because I'm not on Electra and I can't just use roll Electra, right? Okay, reboot and re-jailbreak. This is what I did to fix it. Go to files, delete stash file. That's it. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so var user, var user, where would that be? User, var, so, user's not here. Unless I'm just completely blind. It's not here. No. Okay. Okay, what about this? This. Okay. Varlib, okay, yes, I already have done that. Okay. How to remove, cover jailbreak. Cover uninstall, set autolock to never. Be sure you have the latest version of the jailbreak. Okay, for A11, for A7. Ooh, it's that easy. Jesus, you fucking dumbass. Hold on. Will this also remove my data? This process will not delete any of your personal files, just in case. Furthermore, you may need to use the data backup later in the tutorial. I mean, okay, I'll go create a backup real quick. Alright, got the thing right there. Today at 8:46. Okay, now that is not what I needed to do. Okay, let's read from the top. Okay, yes. Unjailbreak tutorial. Once you've unjailbroken, unjailbreak, I'll say tweaks, new Insidia, and you can start from scratch. Yeah. Alright, step 1, disable auto lock. I already have it disabled. Ensure I do have the latest version installed. Step 3A. Tap the settings and then hold on, let me what processor does the iPhone 7 have? What does the iPhone 7 have? It has the A10. That is in between that. Great. Now, navigate back to the main jailbreak screen inside the app. Re-jailbreak, /restore file system. When prompted, tap OK, continue root as OK. This process will take upwards of 15 minutes. It's faster on newer devices. Once done, you'll be left with the uncovered Cydia app icon. Simply delete the OK. As for Cydia, this is where things get tricky. It's not technically on your device. The only way to fully perform a full erase, not a restore. Okay, general reset, erase all content and settings. Yes, and it's important that you do not perform an actual restore. Yes, I'm not a fucking dumbass. If the icon doesn't bother you, just stick it in a folder and hide it. There'll be ways to soon. Much easier, right? Okay. 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 Did that. Step 3A. Please say this doesn't completely I should charge it first. I'm gonna charge it to like 50% first. Alright, so it's the next day. And now let's get to it. So I already backed up everything that I need. And or at least I hope so. And now it's time to unjailbreak it and then re-jailbreak it. Alright, so step 1, I did that. Step 2, and yep, did that. Step 3A, okay, so open the uncovered jailbreak app. Okay, let's do that. Cover. And then click on settings, right? And then go down to, oh, wait a moment. Let's reinstall Cydia and see if that works. I didn't know that was an option. Huh. Hopefully this might do up a good thing. Okay. Okay, so what happened is it just reset. Now let's click on jailbreak and let's see if it works. Okay. It's doing up a good thing, probably. Alright. Alright. Okay, it's respringing now. Alright. Turning back on. Alright. Hey. Let's open up Cydia and see if we can install up a good thing. Changes. Cydia installer. Let's do that. Wait, has it complete upgrade? I mean, it's installing. Installing just fine. Alright. Alright. Let's try to install Zeppelin. So, let's go here. And the reason why I test things out with, hey, it worked. Now the reason I test things out with Zeppelin is because it just works. It works on a lot of different iOS versions. It's a really stable tweak, and yeah. Alright, it still says activator is disabled. Here, let's see if we can do anything about that. Alright, first let's see if we can install a theme. Alright. Now, let's see if we can enable the theme, because the Anemone app, or I mean Activator, right? Yeah, Activator app doesn't work, but the the menu, in settings works. The menu tab in settings, if that's what it's called, works. Now let's try to apply the theme. Can I respring, or does it just work? It just works. Great. Now let's try to install the good theme, I think it's called Light Shot or something. Great, and don't worry, I know how to spell Cydia right here, but just a typo. Anyway, let's go in here and to here, and then we can move this over here. All right. Now let's go into settings. Here, let's go to general, not that, but general, no, not general either. Let's go to here. All right. All right. Then 10.3.0.12, okay. Root Alpine, great. Now, let's open up this one, Themes Limelight, install, so it's just in library themes. Alright, so let's go, okay, let's just make that bigger. Great, let's go to the library, themes, hey, there it is. Okay, well, before we do that, let's go down here. The snowboard selects theme, undo that, great. We can just delete these, yes. Alright, then we can drag all of these onto here, and then it finished. All right, now let's do this one. I think it's this one, and let's see, this one, and let's see. All right. Ew, that is gross. That is really gross. Let's undo that for that one, or no, not that one. This one, and then it's not letting me get out of settings. There we go. Oh, it's gonna catch up now. Okay, great. Okay, so they're not glowing. Here. This one. Okay, great. Now, I think that looks pretty good. Color plus glow. Yeah, okay. The folders look gross. Here, I think I can actually do up a good thing in Spring plus 11, and then Springboard, and then remove folder background. Does that work? Or does that when I'm in the folder? Oh, there we go. And then can we respring? Alright, I clicked respring, and it will momentarily. Alright. Great. Let's just do that up. Okay. No. That is not what I was looking for. Here, I will figure this out off camera. Alright, so I am rereading this no folder title, and or right here, I don't know why the hell I thought that would do anything. Okay, well, let's see. I already have this. Oh, okay, well, remove, what would it be? Like, folder background? There we go, okay. Remove folder background. Just need to tweak so that works, and removing the folder. Primal folders, okay, and this is how long ago? 2 months ago, so it should be on iOS 11. Primal folders, okay, let's go. Restart Springboard. And next I am gonna change this Apple logo. Hey. Okay then. I'll configure that later. So now, next up. Oh yeah, the boot logo. So, while I still have this open, I have these boot logos right here that I would like to make it do up a good thing. So here I typed this out. So go to system library, system, that took a while to load. Anyway, library, private frameworks, progress UI, which would be right here. Now, okay, delete that, okay, delete that, okay, and then put these in here. All right, and then I should just be able to go back, respring. Hey, that doesn't look half bad. Now, next up, is there anything else that I would like to install in here? Not really. All right. Now, let me get a better camera angle. Alright, next up is this iPad. It's running the Electra jailbreak, and, you know, it's not really having it anymore. So let's see, so I do have a lot of progress on Geometry Dash, right? Like, I don't know if I really want to give that up. Yeah, well, you know. It's fine, doesn't matter. Anything in here? Nope, nothing that would have data. Anything in here? No, anything in here? Nothing that would have data. Okay, okay, let me back up my photos. Alright, so I think I have everything backed up. Now, it's, time. Fuck. You know, this is always an interesting moment, because usually right after Rolectra on like, oh shit, yeah, that was a thing, and I didn't back it up. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? It's gonna crash, isn't it? Yep. Unless it doesn't, and it actually works the first time. Yep, nope, it crashed. Okay, great. To fix this issue, I just usually downgrade it. Okay, hopefully this will give us the ability to downgrade the thing. Where do I see what I have installed? Oh, right here. It's right in front of me. Okay, where is it? Semi-Restore 11. That's what it would be called. Right, here we go. Here we go. Modify. Can I downgrade? Changelog, maybe? I mean, reinstall. Can I select the version, please? Are you seriously not gonna let me fucking... Holy shit. What? Can I not downgrade it? Yeah, let's try running it again. Maybe it will work on Jailbreak Erase All. Nope. Just crashed. Jailbreak Erase All. Nope. Okay. Well. I'll figure something out. Alright. So, let's go into this. Hey! It's not that bad. Alright. So, Sileo isn't complete horseshit. Hey, who would have thought? Oh, is it the same version? Hold on. I want the original version. Yeah, this is not changelog 1.1-1. Okay, let's do that first, then go there, then it's queued, we can confirm. Alright, done. And then let's respring the device. Alright. Let's see if it did anything. No. Still has this bullshit. Yeah. Okay, let's try something else. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to uninstall this, and then install the original version through Cydia Impactor, and then maybe that can do a good thing. If not, there is also a .deb file which I can install with Fileza. Okay, let's get this like that. Alright. Let's not type in my password on camera, right? Now let's point the camera towards the screen. Okay. That's straight. I hope that's straight. Here, let's actually get that. straight enough. No, that's crooked. Just need... There, okay. Okay, so let's plug this into there, and then plug this into right here. Alright, now I do have the, what's this? The uncovered jailbreak IPA, but I don't actually have the Electra IPA, so it's like coolstar.org, right? Is this connected to the internet? Yes, okay. Is this a thing? Can I please get Electra? Alright, download. You know, Coolstar has a cool website, I have to say. Alright. Let's put that right there. We can just delete these. And that. Alright. Now we can put that on there. Okay, let me do this. Alright. Now, complete, great. Now, let's go, we need to trust the thingy thing first. This one, trust. Okay, now let's go into Electra, already jailbroken. That's correct, okay. I just want to see if I redo the thing, if it will actually fix Cydia or something, you know? So, turn it back on, okay. Alright, go in here, jailbreak. Alright, it says installing Cydia right there. So hopefully, you know, it installs Cydia. Okay, it looks like it's respringing right now. So it appears that all jailbreak related things have been uninstalled. Let's just complete upgrade. Okay, complete upgrade. Cannot find a source download version. Okay, is upgrade essential? No. Okay, then ignore. Do I have any sources installed? I have those. Do I have... That's that. Nope. Fuck. Stop. Okay. It's semi-restore, modify, downgrade, 1.0. Okay. I see how it is. You really want to be like that. So you know what I just realized? The reason why it wasn't working is because I didn't uninstall the thing. Like, there's something you can uninstall. I think it's Cydia Substrate that just removes everything, right? Removes every tweak. Holy shit, cat! Do not step on the screws. I mean, okay. Okay. Well, so that's why it wasn't working. I didn't actually have to go through all that trouble. Anyway, or its substitute in this case, because Cydia Substrate isn't a thing on Electro. Anyway, let's close that and let's wait. All right. So, hey, that isn't half bad. Let me get this set up. Alright, I'm back. Now, I did forget where I left off last time, but now all that's really left to do is software stuff. So that's going to be the end of this video. I wonder how long this is going to be, because it took me it took me like a couple weeks to make this, because I just didn't get around to it. It's just now I'm going on vacation for a week to Silver Dollar City in Branson, Missouri. Now, imagine Disney World, but like themed for like the 1800s, like 1700s themed Disney World. That's what Silver Dollar City is. And now I really, really like that. Okay, like, wow. So I'm going to be jailbreaking that iPhone SE on top of the iPad, this phone, and this iPhone SE. And now that is definitely a lot more than the beginning of the video. But, you know, so these right here. Now, how do I get a good camera angle for this? I guess I could put the tripod, on top of this, and then just so I could. Is that okay? There. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Computer's not turning on. Actually, never mind. It is turning on. Get that like that. I need to get a mouse. Alright, so I got a mouse right here. Let's just plug it in. Right there. This computer still smells like the cheap perfume of the guy I bought it from. It's truly something. Alright, now let's plug in this iPad right here. Okay. Let me get the... Thank fuck that didn't show up. Okay, hold on. So basically what happened is a box popped up with one of my phone numbers being like, do you want to use this for iMessage? I thought it was just about to do that again. Okay, anyway, let's trust that. Type in the password. And now, it's plugged into the computer. All we have to do now is I booted into the wrong operating system. Okay, let me boot into Mavericks real quick. Now this does, it just stopped, but the screen was flickering. Every time it's like booting up. Here, it's a bit less noticeable now. It's not coming through on camera. Well, anyway, Let's get this all good. Now, the reason why I'm using Mavericks instead of El Capitan for City Impactor is because City Impactor, for whatever reason, just works better on Mavericks 3.2.1. I have 3.1.3, so this can go away, and I will be downloading that right there. Alright, save file, okay. Alright, why is this downloading so slow? Huh. Okay. Here we go. Now let's just drag that onto the desktop right there. And then Impactor. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. Now, let's open that up. All we have to do is drag this onto here and type in a username and password. The Apple developer site is undergoing maintenance. You're kidding me. Okay, well, I'll just try again tomorrow. So you know what? Instead of waiting a day, I think I'll factory reset this phone. So in order to do that, I'm going to charge it up first. Alright, now the phone is at 97%, basically fully charged. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and jailbreak it, then factory reset it, and this time I have made sure that I have everything I want backed up, unlike the last time where I deleted some pictures from a friend's birthday party, which I'm never going to get those back. I'll just wait until this turns back on now. Alright, it turned back on and it's in a jailbroken state. Alright, now I am going to go into Cydia and export all the tweaks that I have. I'd be here. Do I have Flame? It's called Flame. Let's install Flame real quick. And what this tweak does is it allows you to export your sources and your tweaks, a list of them. Now, if you want to like export the files themselves, there is another tweak. I forget what it's called, but it allows you to export the files themselves. And of course, Touch ID never works on the iPhone SE. Well, I have two theories. One, the screen protector. It's kind of not flush with the home button. It's a bit raised up. And first generation Touch ID. I think the SE has first generation Touch ID. Right now, Cydia. Sources, no. Yes, okay, it's there. Let's just export both, and now it will ask me to email it, and it's not pulling up the thing where I get to email it. Here, I'm just going to try and upgrade everything and see if that fixes that issue, because when I click export both, it doesn't do anything, when it really should be doing something. Alright, I'll see if I can get it to work. Alright, now here's why. I don't actually have a mail account set up, so I'll just go ahead and sign in real quick. Alright, once I set up an account, it actually worked. Now I'm just going to email this to me. Alright, it's sent. Now all that's left is to go... where is it? Do I have... Eraser. There we go. Okay, erase all. Now, sometimes this fails and you just have to try it a couple of times in order to get it to work. So we'll wait for a moment, see if it fails or if it succeeds. Alright, we got an internal error. Let me just Google this real quick, see if it's anything that's extremely wrong or if we just have to try it again a couple more times. Alright, it was one of those errors where we just have to pretty much try it again until it works. So, erase all data, erase all. Alright, it failed. Let's try that again. Erase all, yep. Alright, it didn't fail this time. So, just gonna let it sit here. I'll let you know if anything bad happens or when it finishes. Alright, now this is crooked. Now, hey, this is great. Now, I've never actually had Cydia Eraser just completely fail on me, but and by fail I mean like brick the device to the point where I have to restore it. But maybe it just will take a moment. Alright, there we go. I don't need Touch ID. Passcode options. I mean, I'm gonna forget that one. I did 887496, which I just think is a pretty cool password, but I'm not gonna remember that. Just 4-digit, simple passcode. Set up his new phone. I mean, let me set this up off camera. Alright, now it's time to install the tvOS beta profile so it doesn't update. Alright, let's let it just reboot here for a second. Alright, got it all set up and running. All that's left is to jailbreak it, which, maybe the Apple servers are back up. So, let's take a walk over here. Turn this on. Yeah, let me get everything all set up. Alright, so now it's plugged in to the iPad. Okay, let's do that up. Okay, great. Now, let's open this up. Okay, drag that onto there. Let me type in my username and password here. Let's see if I can, like, do something like that. Yeah, okay. Let me type in my username and password. Alright, and it has completed. Let me zoom this back out. Okay, it has completed. Let's just go ahead and trust the thing. Let's do that. Okay, now let's go into here. Ooh, redesign. Hey, it's not half bad. Let's just click jailbreak. Alright. Did it work? Well, we're about to find out. Alright, no, that did not work. Let's try that again. I'll get back to you with some more information. Alright, it says the system snapshot has been successfully renamed. This device will now be restarted. Or maybe it said restart, because this device will now be restarted isn't... It's not something I would expect someone to say. I hopefully just read that wrong. There's like dust on this. Let's type that in, go back to over here, jailbreak. All right, no. All right, let me get this jailbroken off camera. Hey, it looks like it's doing something. All right, jailbreak complete. Now, yep, jailbreak has indeed completed. All right. Well, that's just great. I can set that aside and set it up for my vacation that I'm about to go on to, Branson, Missouri. Now, what's left is, that's not the right thing. This is, though. How do I do that? Okay, there we go. I mean, it can be a little brighter. No. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do this iPhone SE now. It is a bit zoomed in, so this iPhone SE, so let's trust the computer. Okay. Let's copy over. Oh, it has a question mark. No, never mind. Copy that in there. Let me do this right now. It did successfully go on the device. Now I'm actually going to do the rest of the devices so I don't have to refocus the camera. So right now I'm going to install it on this iPhone 6s. Install Uncover, okay. Alright, Uncover was successfully installed. Now, let's install it on this iPhone SE right here. Alright, plugged it in. There you go. Trust the computer. Okay, let's drag that onto there. Let's type something in. Alright, Uncover was successfully installed on these two devices, so I'm going to go into settings and trust them now. Alright, now you can see that this is definitely a replacement display. Now all that's left is to open this, and then jailbreak them. Start jailbreak. This one failed immediately. That one was successful in what it was supposed to do. Alright, this one right here turned on first. So let's go back to here and here. Alright, jailbreak. So these two instantly failed. Alright. Hey, this one succeeded though. So that's pretty nice. Alright, here we go. Back over here, yes, uncover, jailbreak. Both failed, of course, because why not? Alright, and here is Cydia on the iPhone SE on iOS 9.3.3. So, complete upgrade, confirm. Let's go back over here, yes, uncover. I'm going to put them in airplane mode this time, because maybe that just might do something. Let's let them sit here for a moment. Alright, jailbreak. No, they still failed. Huh. That's interesting. So, I'll get these two jailbroken off camera. You know, maybe it has to do something with my Apple ID and how I used it on actually 5 devices now. When I think you can only use it on 3. And somehow it didn't give me an error in Cydia Impactor. That could be something that's happening. But this one, successfully jailbroken. Yeah, that's pretty great. Now, let's just jailbreak, instantly fails. Jailbreak, instantly fails. Okay, let me figure this out. Alright, so the issue was indeed my Apple ID. I just used a different one, and would you look at that, it's working perfectly fine now. So, I don't know what's up. You know, there's a possibility that it might just be a coincidence that I used a different Apple ID and it started working. Oh, you see, it's failing again. You know, it might just be a coincidence that I used a different Apple ID. But, you know, welcome to Cydia. Oh, yeah. Reloading data, sources, everything's there, changes. Okay, let's just make sure everything's up to date. Yes, yes, uncover. Let's put it in airplane mode. Alright, jailbreak. Nope, it fails instantly. Let me figure this one out now. So I basically just deleted Uncover, reinstalled it, and now it works. It's jailbroken, all that good stuff. Now I can sell this. Also with this iPad, UI cache didn't actually run, so I just went into Uncover, clicked re-jailbreak, then Cydia was actually there this time instead of it not being there. Alright, and for this one it's working, and this one, the iPhone SE, it's also working. So I think that's the end of this video. Yeah, man, that is just great.